Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
Hello everyone, this is me, Mr. Puppet from Foufa English. Oh, do you hear? This is my tummy. My tummy is growling. I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm starving. Starving means very hungry. It's time to eat food. Come on, let's see what's in the fridge. Cheese, olive, tomato sauce, sliced bread. So, I'm gonna cook something. Let's cook with Mr. Puppet. First, I should wear the chef uniform. Ta-da! Look at me! Now I'm a chef! What am I gonna cook now? Sliced bread. Aha! I've got an idea! Let's make pizza toast! Ingredients: sliced bread, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, olive, sliced pepper, onion. Place the sliced bread on the oven plate. Now add toppings. Add generous spoon of pizza sauce. Spread it with the back of the spoon. Top with cheese, peppers, onions, and olive. It's easy peasy. Takes few minutes to cook. Prepare your oven. Preheat the oven for baking. Be careful, be careful. When using the oven, you must have some adult help. Place the slices on a hot oven. Let's wait a few minutes until the cheese is melted. I'm waiting. Yummy! Delicious! It's yummy in my tummy! Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you later, alligator! Bye!